baby bump action in it. Y'all want to see the baby bump? Baby bump, baby bump, baby bump, baby bump. Do 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 do. Yeah. No, I really can't complain. What's up, you squares? I'm back with another video, and as you already know, it's about my welcome kit from Amazon that I got off my baby registry. Now, just so that you guys know, the way that you get your welcome kit is you have to have a certain amount of purchases in your baby registry. Once you get that amount, they will send you your welcome kit in or through Amazon, not in the mail. Through Amazon, they will send you your welcome kit. You also have to complete your registry, and what that means is you have to have all of the categories in your baby registry. You have to have all of those filled with items. It doesn't have to be a whole lot of items. It could just be one item from each category, but they do recommend or request that you have an item from each category so that your registry is completely filled and ready to go. And then you will get a box like this. Well, they tell you it takes 6 to 8 weeks. Mine came in about 2 weeks, about 2 to 3 weeks. It wasn't that bad, but we are in a pandemic, so you know, mail and deliveries have been crazy, but it really wasn't that bad after I completed my registry. After you have already gotten your baby registry welcome kit, you do not have to keep the items in your registry in order for them to not charge you. Because I heard a lot of like horror stories where people have gotten charged for the baby welcome kit because they removed some things from their registry. But I've only heard that from the people who have removed things that were bought or that went towards the completion discount. So you can't remove things that were already bought, but you can remove things that haven't been bought and still be able to keep the baby registry welcome kit without being charged. I don't know why they charge you when you remove stuff. It's weird, but just to be on the safe side, you don't want to risk it. That's a warning. I'm just saying. I've heard horror stories. It hasn't happened to me. Nothing on my registry was bought to go towards the amount that they want you to have or whatever. So nothing on my registry was bought that I removed. So that's just something to keep in mind when you're doing this. But you do get a free welcome kit, and I did like open it, but only just to see what it looked like, but I didn't like go through it. So this will be my first time actually going through it. So I am taking it out of the box, and it comes in this cute little pink and blue tote bag. That is so cute. I love this little tote bag. I could totally reuse this for something. Like, that is like super cute. But I've seen other registries where they have came in like little boxes and things like that. So I don't know why mine is different, but I like the little tote bag. It's definitely reusable. So I won't be reusing it as a baby bag, but it's cute though. So the first thing that they have in here is some Drift, a sample of the Drift laundry detergent for babies. And I think that's cute to have like a little sample if you've never used it or if you're a first time mom. This will be like so cute to try out for your baby. And it's the newborn kind. So that's the first thing I pulled out. The second thing I pulled out is Weleda. It's Weleda shampoo and body wash. Here is the shampoo and body wash sample that they have here. And that's not bad. That's like a little small sample, enough to put on some little legs and arms, you know. And it says plant crafted for your baby's delicate skin. So, and they also have like a little coupon here for $1 off. There it is. Okay, so they have a little coupon here for $1 off if you want to try it in store. If you want to, you know, buy it in store and try it. And so that's cute. Here I have like a little welcome card from Amazon Baby Registry. It's just like, you know, we hope you have this special delivery, compliments of Amazon Baby. So that's cute. Here I have a pack of little snugglers, size 1, Huggies diapers. And these are kind of cute. I see that they have the little patterns on them. I haven't used Huggies since my second child. And the reason being is because for some reason, Huggies leaks. I don't know what it is. They leak. So I've been a Pampers mom since then. And I actually started using them with my second child. When she first came home, we were using Huggies. And then they just kept leaking and I couldn't figure out what was going on. But then my hubs was just like, try a different brand. I'm like, no, I can't leave Huggies, no. But I love Huggies. I tried Pampers, never went back. The next thing that we have here is a ma'am bottle. It comes in this little plastic so that, you know, I guess for safety and sanitizing reasons. So I have this little ma'am bottle. And that's cute and has a little insert on the inside, possibly telling me everything about the bottle. I'm not sure that I will actually use this because I'm a breastfeeding mom. So, and I just put the baby right on the tap, boom. No muss, no fuss. So, I'm not sure that I'll be using that bottle, but only time will tell. Maybe I'll gift it to one of my friends or something. Here is a small little bottle of baby Aveeno. And it's the Aveeno Daily Moisture Lotion. Now, with Kyler, my son, he'll be 3 next month, I used Aveeno. And it was really, really good. But when I found out that Aveeno was made by Johnson & Johnson, I kind of just got turned off. And you guys know why. If you don't, it's because Johnson & Johnson is having some legal issues with their products. And I just was just like, no, I am not. That's no. Just canned everything Johnson & Johnson. So I went natural with him. He's using a great skin moisture. It's like very natural and it's very scented. I'm trying to find something for the new baby. But she doesn't have a line, and I think she's Black owned as well, but she doesn't have a line for babies. I hope she comes out with one. I'll probably email her that, but I'll leave you the link down below to what I use on Kyler now. Here is a Gerber swaddle blanket. I love this swaddling. They have a swaddling instructions here to tell you how to swaddle your baby if you don't know how. And I mean, it's really cute. It's so soft. And the material does not feel like heavy or, you know, too hot, because my kids sweat a lot. I don't know what it is, but they sweat a lot. So this would actually be very breathable for a newborn baby. And this is really cute. I love this. It's very soft too. So that's a good thing. They have it where you can buy the welcome kit for like $30 or something like that on Amazon. And I saw some reviews where they said they send the mousseline. I think that I'm saying that right. The mousseline swaddle blanket, but I didn't get that one, so I'm kind of sad. This is a 3 to 6 month Carter Joy's Simple Baby onesie, or I say onesie, and then everybody else is like bodysuit. So I guess I'm guessing bodysuit, but it's 3 to 6 months. Here's the pattern of it. It's really cute, like a really cute pattern. It's 3 to 6 months. It has lions and hippopotamus and elephants, and it's just very baby neutral as far as the color. So you don't have to worry about, you know, if you're having a boy or if you're having a girl, they will send gender neutral colors. I love Carter's, so I really don't have any complaints about this. Here we have 7th generation wipes. Now, I've never tried, I use their laundry detergent, and it's a pack of 7th generation wipes, free and clear, and it's a pack of 10 wipes. So this could easily slide into your baby bag once the baby gets here. And, you know, you can use it on the go, in the car, wherever you have to change your baby, just at the drop of a moment. And I don't know anything about these. It says gentle as water, made safe for baby skin, 0% fragrances, alcohol, and parabens. So I don't know anything about these wipes. I've never used them. Like I said, I use 7th generation laundry detergent from Target, but I've never tried the wipes or the diapers, so I don't know anything about these, but I'm willing to give them a try. So I'll give the wipes a try, maybe do a review on that later. And the last thing in this bag, bruh, Desitin. They sent a sample of Desitin. Now, and it's maximum strength, zinc oxide, diaper rash paste, paraben free. I know there's people out there that swear by this. Okay, so swear by it. But let me show you something. Aquaphor. This has been a godsend since I've had my son. Aquaphor. This stuff is gold. Okay, I literally put, like, you know, a smear of it on my son's rash when he first had a rash, when he was like really little, small. And the next day, I swear, no BS, the next day his rash was gone. Gone. I'm serious, so serious. Now, I know some people, you know, different strokes for different folks, and, you know, everybody's skin is different. Gone the next day. Aquaphor. I use it for everything. Okay, he's about to be 3 next month. I still use it. Okay, it's bomb. The baby registry unboxing of the welcome kit. My final review on it, I would say it was cool. It was okay. Does it look like $30 worth of stuff? Oh my God, no, it doesn't. It really doesn't. I mean, what's $30 worth of stuff in 2020 nowadays? Like, I mean, that's crazy, right? I don't know. To me, it doesn't look like $30 worth of stuff. Maybe $20. Would I, you know, is it worth it? It really just depends. If you're a mom who knows that you need a lot of things for your baby, definitely go ahead and try to get the welcome kit, because every little bit helps. If you're a mom who knows that you have grandparents who go overboard, you have friends who go overboard, you know, godparents, whoever, just anybody who goes overboard on, you know, buying your kids, your babies things when you're first pregnant and everything, I would say don't even worry about this thing. It just really doesn't seem like it's worth, you know, the trouble of going through if you're not going to use most of the things in there. But again, there are some little gems in this bag that don't seem so bad and could definitely be used by especially new moms. So would I recommend it for seasoned moms? Probably not, but new moms, definitely. I would definitely recommend this, because that would give you an option of what is out there, or give you a sample of what is out there, and also let you, you know, go ahead and feel and touch and decide whether or not these items are for you. I know When I was a new mom, I didn't really know much about anything baby. So to actually put the stuff in front of your face and just, you know, sample it, test it out, see what it's about, you know, if it's sensitive on skin or not, you know, you can test it out on yourself. Actually, you don't have to just wait until the baby comes. Or if you have a niece or nephew, things like that. So this actually would help out a new mom. A seasoned mom, only if you really, really want to. If you really, really want to get it, girl, get it. You know what I'm saying? But I just don't think this is $30 worth of stuff. That's my personal opinion. Somebody might have a different opinion out there. This is what you get. That's all that comes in the baby registry welcome kit from Amazon. At least my kit that came from Amazon. I hear that there's all different kinds of different products that come in them. So if you wanted to give it a try, go ahead and give it a shot. If you found this video helpful, don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel because you don't want to miss out on what your girls got in store, okay? All right, guys. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Peace.